Hi, this is Robin Dishar. I'm the lead director at the Zembrodt Education Center, and today I'm going to show you how to make ooey gooey butter cake. And the thing about this recipe is that it only takes 5 ingredients, and some people call it ooey gooey butter cake or gooey butter cake or chest bars. There's a lot of different variations of what it's called, but it's pretty much the same thing, and it's delicious, and I think you're going to like it. So first, you need to start out by preheating your oven to 300 degrees, and then you're going to spray a 9x13 pan with cooking spray. Get that ready. And the ingredients that you're gonna need are 1 pound of confectioner sugar, or powdered sugar is what that's called, and 1 yellow box cake mix, 1 block of softened cream cheese, 3 eggs. I have mine separated here, you'll see why in just a second, and 1 stick of melted butter. So the tools that you're gonna need are really simple. You don't even have to really measure anything, which is why I love this recipe. You are first going to combine your cake mix with 1 of those eggs. So let's take this out. And the reason that I'm wearing this super cute little apron is because this recipe gets very messy if you're not careful with the powdered sugar. So it's obviously not necessary, but if you have one, it helps. So you're going to put 1 of the eggs in. And with this, you are going to just form a soft dough that we're going to press into the bottom of the pan. Then I'm going to add the butter in as well. You can really just do it all at once if you want to. Alright, so this is the soft dough. Get all of that off there. What you're going to do is dump this into your pan. And then since you do have clean hands, you can go ahead and push that into an even base, which is what I like to do because I feel like you can get it more even. And this is going to be your crust, which when it comes out is going to hopefully be really nice and crispy and have a little bit of a chew to it also, but it's going to be really buttery. So there's that. The next thing you're going to do is to make the topping, which is the powdered sugar, the cream cheese, and the 2 eggs. And you're going to mix this for about 1 to 2 minutes till it's fully combined. So here's the messy part. And since this is the size that it comes in, there's really no measuring that happens in this recipe, like I said, which is pretty cool. I'm just using regular cream cheese. I'm sure you could probably do low fat if you wanted to, but it might taste good for yourself. And 2 eggs. And I'm just going to mix this for 1 to 2 minutes. If anyone's been to St. Louis, this is what they refer to as gooey butter cake, and they really are very serious about it and have a lot of different variations, but most bakeries up there will have their own version of it. And when I went to St. Louis last year, I actually tried to seek out the best gooey butter cake that I could find as I was leaving the city, and it was pretty good. And you just want to spread that on top of your crust carefully and evenly. and your oven should be preheated to 300 by now. So what you're gonna do next is you're gonna pop it in the oven for, I'm gonna say 45 minutes. I've heard anywhere from between 40 and 50. So you can just decide for yourself. If you check on it and the top is golden brown, then it means that it's finished. So we're gonna put it in here and set the timer, and I'll be back to show you the finished product.
Yep.
All right, so our timer just went off. I'm gonna pull the cake out of the oven. Make sure you're using some oven mitts and being careful. It should look a very golden color like that. And even though you're gonna wanna eat it right away because it smells delicious, you wanna make sure you let it sit for at least 10 minutes or so to let it cool off. And then just slice it into bar shapes and you're done. I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to share your videos or pictures of you making the gooey butter cake, and follow us on Zembrodt Education Center's social media so that you can stay up to date with all the cool stuff that we're doing.